Why is my engine cranking but not starting? Welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So if we're cranking fast properly, it's going to sound nee, not ruh. So if we're cranking good, we got step one. Step two, we need to have a healthy engine. So we have to have compression. A few things that can affect compression that could cause us problems are cam timing can get off. We could have a timing chain that has failed. We could have piston rings that are bad because we overheated the engine or something like that. We could have a plugged exhaust. So there's a number of things, but that's the first thing we have to have is we have to have good compression. The second thing we have to have is we've got to get fuel into that engine somehow. So our fuel has to either, we first of all supply it from the pump, and depending on what kind of a car we have, that pump's going to supply it to a secondary pump that's a higher pressure. That would be on our direct injected cars. On the lower pressure system port injection, it's just going to go to our injectors. And then on an older one, it would go to our carburetor. So we pump the fuel up and then it has to be injected. So our computer has to turn the injectors on and off. So we have to make sure all those things are working. And then the last thing is we have to ignite that, and we have to ignite it at the right time. So our spark plug, once we've compressed that and we have a nice mixture of air and fuel in the cylinder, that spark plug ignites it and then it fires and the engine's running. So a couple things that could affect that. We could have a problem with ignition coils. We could have a problem with wiring. We could have a problem with maybe a computer not commanding the spark to happen. So there's a lot of variables there, but you primarily need three things, and it's much more technical to find out how to find them, but we have to have compression, we have to have fuel, and we have to have spark. We have to have the right quantity of all three, and we have to have them happen at the right time. I hope that helps you understand this a little bit more. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.